keep continuing since then. There has to be some reason to believe something. My lord, it cannot, it's affecting my right under Article 20.
What is that right has been affected?
My lord,
Please let us.
my right under Article 21.
The right
My lord,
of the
if
citizen,
one other
the right to
person,
public where they will go. If you people keep on committing this kind of,
my lord, whatever I committed is
we
my
do not
question
know.
to myself.
We do not know. That is only after investigation.
My lord,
If you
it
are
cannot
found
be a.
innocent, you are
My
innocent.
lord, then this flies in the teeth of barium chemicals. Barium chemical says you cannot have a roving fishing inquiry. There has to be reason to believe what you're looking
Where
at.
in fact,
Why you're
inquiry,
looking?
Mr.
Section 17.
Only a notice comes and you people get a stay from
Well,
the
it's-
court. It has become a heaven here.
Please see
For
section
everyone, all
17.
the investigations are then.
My lord,
stayed.
please see section 17 itself. Even to seize, there has to be reason to believe.
What are
that-
the allegations against the other person? Please tell us.
There is, I don't even know.
Oh.
There's nothing divulged to me. Nothing. My lord, let them
Oh,
come
there are-
forward and tell your lordships what it is.
Why your mobile has been taken then?
I don't know, my lord. Nothing is disclosed to me. That is my objection. Let them come forward. My lord, please let them come forward next week and tell your lordships why it has been taken. Let them come forward and tell your lordships why.
326, the residential premises of the petition was subjected to search and seizure
Why?
by officers of so-and-so at, in morning 6 o'clock. During the course, one mobile phone has been found, this and that. Very good. Why they have come to you?
Exactly, my lord. That's all I'm saying. Please see even section 17. Even, my lords, what 17 contemplates is not made out. Please just read section 17 with me for a second, my lord. If the PMLA. Please see 17. 17 itself, please just read it with me for a second. My lord, 17 requires, if your lordships will see it, it says specifically,
I've specifically said I am not staying in investigation, holding my phone. Let's have a bit of investigation.
Test to whom?
P1?
P1,
What do you mean P1?
this is me.
Pachnama and
This is the Panchnama. My lord, kindly see what the Panchnama is.
Yes.
Please read the Panchnama along with me. Under section 17, they say, search was conducted. Nothing is stated there. Reason to believe, obviously Panchnama won't. Summons will say what is the reason to believe for section 17. Please read 17 with me, where there has to be reason to believe. My lords, kindly see section 17 is expressed in its terms. It says specifically that on the basis of information in his possession has reason to believe. The reason for such belief to be recorded in writing.
But these are not the reasons recorded in writing.
Nothing. This is a Panchnama. And the reasons, nothing. This is all I have got today. I've got nothing else.
seizure report.
Mr. Sundaram, the reasons are recorded in the proceedings of the
You should see-
ECIR.
My lord,
It
that,
is unlike
those
the
are
arrest,
here.
unlike the arrest under 19, there is no requirement to communicate
and
the,
there is no ECIR against me as on date.
there cannot be, this is again a fallacious argument advanced by you because an ECIR is in respect of an offense,
Yes.
not an individual. So when ECIR is registered, the ECIR
My lord, may I make one
has
submission?
records and the records in all probability contain the reasons.
May I?
You can always argue that the reasons have not been communicated. We request you to make a comparison between the statutory requirements of 17 and 19. When it is arrest, it is to be communicated, but in search and seizure, communication.
I'm not
required.
on that, my lord. Can I just express my submission to your lordship? My lord, I'm only on this. There is no predicate of it. You are now coming and seizing my telephone. All right. You are then saying, at least tell me you can always in the phones access what, for example, give keywords, access the
We
information you want,
understand.
not my overall phone. My lord, even if it goes to one other person, my privacy is gone. My lord, what happens to my right under Article 21? What happens to Kutusami?
The only way out is to call you in the AD office, ask you to sit there and open the phone and give the information.
No problem, my lord, I'm going one step further. Please say, tap in all messages you can do on the search for the purpose. That's why Justice College said there must be guidelines laid down. Tap in the search for anything to do with X's, Y, etc. Anything to do with numbers to so and so. Anything to do with this. Tap in the search.
Also,
And then tap
therefore,
in the
they
search.
are just only in a fine morning, they thought to visit your house as if you had invited them for cover a cup of tea.
My lords,
They are coming here with a purpose, reading
my
and
lord, what can I
they are
say?
finding
My
certain
lord,
things. They are
I am saying this
everything.
affects Article
You are
21.
trying to project as if you are such
Today, my
a
lord,
person, you don't know anything.
today the instrument is with them. The investigation, I'm not saying please stop the investigation. All I'm saying is my telephone for the time
Telephone
being
is-
till your lordship decide
A telephone can be a very strong incriminating material.
of a third person, but meantime investigation.
Why not
can go on.
yours? If you are also hand in glove and you are also.
My lord, all I am seeking is let them come forward. My lord, there is a way in doing it. You don't have to access everything.
Issue notice, returnable on so and so date for the limited purpose to find out the
My lord, on the main issue, the matter is
Lead
pending
case.
with your lordship's
the
court.
lead case, to find out the nature of the allegations attributed to either the petitioner or his co-accused, as the writ petition unfortunately has disclosed only very selective information. Then say Dusty next week.
Tomorrow they call you with that.
My lord, I'm being called tomorrow. Your lordship will at least stay till the next date of hearing, whatever your
No
lordship
question
is.
of saying,
No, my lord, then it's infractious. There's nothing left.
stay decline.
Yeah.
And then say all the writ petition you mentioned है ना सारी साथ लगा इनको सारी writ petition को लगा
Sorry, my lord.
writ petition so and so are also ordered to be tagged.
Sorry, I didn't hear that last part. Your lordship said, my lord, the last part I didn't hear, my lord. I'm sorry.
No. We are only saying the other writ petition which you are relying upon. We are only ordering them to be tagged.
The other petitions. My lord, I've been asked, tomorrow, my lord, is the date. All I'm seeking is that if your lordship is giving a returnable till that date, they don't open the phone. Otherwise, I'm infractious. Your lordship will give a returnable date and say only till that date.
No,
It is not to be opened till they come and disclose this.
Notice on behalf of ED.
It is Zoeb.
I can,
Zoeb.
my office can accept it, no difficulty.
SB Raju
Lots, we appear for ED, my lord, that is not.
Also.
difficulty. And it-
Next Tuesday.
Till then,
My lord, till then, because tomorrow they've called me, please till Tuesday.
And for your
My lord,
mobile.
all I'm seeking is till Tuesday. Otherwise, I'm infractious, my lord.
Why are you so afraid of
Because I'll explain to your lordship.
Your
Anything
private-
personal, I'm at the behest of all these officers tomorrow.
Yes.
They can threaten me with anything